Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.98 trillion, down 0.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.2%. One thing to keep in mind right now is that we are once again below that $2 trillion mark, but nothing too crazy right now. Because if we are looking at the overall markets, guys, especially in the last 7 days, the broader picture, majority of the altcoins, as you guys can see right now, are in deep green. But in the last 24 hours, we are seeing some mild red across the board, but nothing too crazy to worry about. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin that has been absolutely killing it with gains, and that's none other than Ethereum Classic. All right, my Ethereum Classic family, if we are looking at the price right now, currently trading at $46.62, up a staggering 7.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 9.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. So we are seeing it, outperform within the both two comparatives, and that's something very, very nice seeing. So if you are holding Ethereum Classic right now, you are doing quite well. Ethereum Classic's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 27 spot with a market cap of $6.2 billion. And look at that 24-hour trading volume, guys. It's at $2.75 billion. Absolutely insane. A lot of bullish momentum is on Ethereum Classic side. And, if you are a holder, you want to watch this video till the absolute end because it is jam-packed and it will be very, very exciting. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, though, in just the last year alone, it's up 296%. But let's forget that. Let's look at just the last 7 days alone, guys. In the last 7 days alone, Ethereum Classic is up 80.2%. Let me repeat that again. In just the last 1 week, we are seeing Ethereum Classic up 80.2%. So absolutely insane gains being made across the board. But without further ado, let's get right into the exciting stuff that everyone is here for: the price of Ethereum Classic. Where is it going right now, and where could we be going in the immediate short term? So right off the bat, guys, as you guys can see, we have seen Ethereum Classic finally break out of this level of resistance. And the best thing, the most exciting thing is that we have seen Ethereum Classic break out of this zone and get back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. First time ever since December of last year. And that is very, very exciting. I was anticipating this move. If you watched my video just 2 days ago when we were, just breaking above this level of resistance, I did say, guys, we could easily push into that 78.6 very, very fast because we do have the momentum on our side right now. And, now comes the question that obviously is on everyone's, mind. Where is it going in the immediate short term? That's what everyone wants to know right now. One thing that I want to point out for you guys is that Ethereum Classic really did start this rally up in the most perfect time. You guys know what happened with its block, and that has been creating a lot of excitement within the space. And if we are looking at the Bitcoin price, on the other hand, Bitcoin has been, in an upwards channel. Even though we have seen this major consolidation happen within the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level over the past couple months, guys, we are still in an upwards channel. And that is showing bullish strength in the immediate short term. And now a lot of analysts, along with myself, I don't consider myself some pro analyst over here, but a lot of analysts are predicting that we are in an upwards trend. And I've been talking about this for quite some time. We are, seeing higher lows being created within the price of Bitcoin, and that is playing a major level of excitement not only in the price of Bitcoin but also in altcoins, and we are starting to see that happen. And right now I do want the price of Bitcoin to break above this level of resistance, guys, because once we break out of here, guys, I might sound like a broken record at this point, but once we break out of this zone, guys, it's game time in my personal opinion. But like I said, Ethereum Classic has, gone up, and obviously Bitcoin overall price momentum has gone, on the bullish end. And that is playing a major, major favor for the price of Ethereum Classic. And a lot of people are saying that, we are going to continually go up towards the upside and maybe even retest this level of resistance, which is at 78.87 cents. And if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that would mean a move of about 70% from where it's currently at right now. And we have not been able to break out of this zone since May 25th, guys. Boy, would that be insane. And now comes the question, that's on everyone's mind. Are we really going to retest this zone? It's very, very possible. But one thing I want to tell you guys right now is that a lot of eyes are still on Bitcoin. My stance. Even though we are in an upwards channel, I'm still not convinced until we break out of this zone. This is my sweet spot where I could even start talking about whether or not we have seen a bottom or not for the price of Bitcoin. Until then, guys, we're not out of the woods just yet. So if we do hold this pattern and, the overall price volume, the 24-hour trading volume keeps on increasing, the buying pressure keeps on coming on Ethereum Classic side, we could possibly, there is a possibility we could try to retest these levels. It's very likely that is going to happen, but we will see what happens in the next coming 72 to, this coming next 3 days. I would say we will be able to see. But one thing to keep in mind right now, if you are an Ethereum Classic holder and you bought back these dips when it was, when there was a major fear across the board, you guys were the ones that were dollar cost averaging in, and now let's say you have doubled your money, I would recommend you guys to take some profits, lock in some profits, because eventually we are going to see some profits being taken. Because one thing we cannot forget is that there are major, major players that do hold Ethereum Classic that are going to try to even manipulate the market to shake out the weekend. So we could see some sort of small retracement occurring. But this time around, I'm sorry, that was wrong thing that I clicked. But this time around, I do expect, even if the markets were to tumble over, I do expect this $40.22 price point to be a major level of support for the price of Ethereum Classic. But so far, so good. And, one step at a time, but everything is looking quite bullish. But one thing, I can always remind you guys is that we do not want to be ignoring the price of Bitcoin. Please keep a very, very close eye on the price of Bitcoin. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, has been holding around the same level, 42.77%. So nothing crazy going on that side. Altcoin season, obviously everyone's talking about that, but altcoin season is quite some times away because BTC dominance is still quite high right now. In order for us to really see a full-on altcoin season, I would need the BTC dominance around that 40% or even lower for us to see that happen. But so far, Ethereum Classic is looking quite bullish. Looks like it just does not want to stop, but do take profits, guys, as I have mentioned. But again, you guys do what works for you. This is just a tip to you guys, not financial advice. You guys do what works for you at the end of the day. But as you guys can see, looks like Ethereum Classic is saying, I don't want to stop. I just want to keep going up. But you guys already know nothing goes up straight forever. That is absolutely unsustainable. So let's not get greedy and lock in profits. But that is it for today's updates, guys. Let me know in the comment section below where you guys could see the price of Ethereum Classic go at the end of this month. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and let me know if you guys want me to continuously upload more content for Ethereum classes. I will bring you guys just that. And if I can ask you guys for one favor, that is like, comment, and subscribe. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the world to me. I love you all. Thank you so much for the support. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.